Hey mathematicians, so example number 3 is in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So we're just going to use slope-intercept form to graph it. So b, that y-intercept, is your beginning point, so our first coordinate will be at -2. And then the slope, the number in front of that x, the coefficient, there's technically a -1 in front of that x. And remember that when you have just a single number, you need to place a 1 underneath it so that you can have a rise and a run. So because it's a negative slope, to me it makes the most sense to go down 1 and then over 1. So the reason I went down and then to the right is because negative and then positive is going to make it going in that negative direction. So my next coordinate is going to be right there. And then I need to go down and to the right again so that it's going to be just like that. And remember to add your arrows after you drag it all the way across the graph. And so we've just graphed that one in slope-intercept form.